going to use Castro 530 full edge and a pure synthetic on it. Already filled up 3 banks. 1, 2, 3. Had to modify this. Had to cut a piece. Use this hose because it was too short to sit on the ground. Not trying to have it sit up here. Already did the oil filter on this 19, well, it's not a 19, it's a 2010 lr4 V8. It's filling up. Now I can reach the floor. This is my modifying little machine here. This is the old oil filter. And I don't know if that's the part number or not. This is the part number for the V8 engine. This is the old filter.